We'll see how we go. Half r squared theta. So we'll work out the total area here. Half times the radius squared times the theta, which is 1.2, because it's in radians, and that's what that formula is. So 0.5 by 49 is 7 squared by 1.2, or type it in as you wish, and you get 29.4 centimeters squared. Now, that must mean then, that's for the full sector, that must mean the area of this white region there is 29.4 minus 21, which is what? 8.4 centimeters squared. So the area of that bit there is 8.4 centimeters squared. Now we can use this fact. What we have there, you can see, it nearly looks like a right angle triangle. Don't make any assumptions unless they have a wee thing like that. So that's 7. We don't know what CO is, so we'll call it X. We know that's 1.2 in between, and we know the area is 8.4. So the only formula we know is that formula, half AB sine C. Half the product of any two sides by the sine of the in-between angle. And we know the area there is 8.4. So lob in them values. Half times 7 times x times sine 1.2. Just make sure your calculator is in radians, is equal to 8.4. Tidy up that left hand side. We have 3.5. Put my wee x at the start. Sine 1.2 is equal to 8.4. Get x on its own. 8.4 over 3.5 sine 1.2. 3.5 just coming from a half of 7. You could throw that all in your calculator as well and get an answer, just to keep it tidier. When you get it into radians, mode on it, shift mode, and 4 for rad, and then type it as you see it. 8.4, 3.5 sine 1.2, and we get 2.57. So that means CO is 2.57. To work out BC, it's 7 minus 2.57. We get 4.43 centimeters, and what does say to one decimal place? 4.4 centimeters.